how to do text-to-speech in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the free text-to-speech feature in CapCut on PC. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the CapCut app on your PC. Here, once you have opened the CapCut app, what you can do is just click on Create Project to start editing. Now here on the next section, you can just click Import, and after that, you can simply select the video that you want to edit from your computer, and after that, you can just click on Open. And now here, once you have imported the video, what you can do is just click on that video and drag it to the main timeline. And now here, once you have added the video to the timeline, what you can do is just go to the top section and there you can just click on text. Now here in this section, you can just click on default text, and after that, you can simply add a text and type a sentence that you like. And now here, once you're done with it, what you can do is just go to the middle top section, and there at the top tab, you will see several options. So from here, you can simply select this option that says text to speech. So simply click on it. And now here, from the given option, simply select the voice or the AI model voice that you want for your text. And now here, once you do that, it will generate a voiceover for your text. And here, once it have generated the voice for your text, you can trim it, you can adjust the volume, the timing to match your videos as well. And that's it. That's how you can use free text to speech in CapCut on PC. Well, with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.